आई थिंक ये ईयर जो था ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट रहा है मेरे लिए to leave a show which was my everything, yaar. Ye Rishta was everything to me. And you know, I'll tell you something about Kaira wedding, our Vivha, Kaira Vivha. It felt real. Like the last day of Naira, it has been one of the most difficult shoot days of me. It was the most difficult shoot day. So, you know, I was on the set and koi journalist set pe aaye the interview lene of the lead pair, you know, the couple. But the cameraman thought that I am the lead of the show. I am sitting and I'm like, oh my god, मेरा first interview, he's coming towards me, I'm sure he interview लेने आ रहे हैं, I'm so excited. And मतलब मैं अंदर ऐसे मुझे बोल रहा है कि oh my god ये, and then the journalist came and he's like no she's not the lead, इसका interview मत लो, उसका लो, चलो. ये चीज़ I think काफ़ी artists के साथ हुई है when you want to wear a bigger stylist's outfit, you know, ऐसा कुछ होता है. So I think वहाँ पे कई बार चीज़ें हो जाती है कि oh we don't give our outfits to TV actors. Excited. I have a lot of fears. Yeah. So I want to overcome them, and I think this is the best show for that.
Hello everyone, you are watching Bollywood Bubble. This is Akash Bhatnagar, and today I'm sitting in the company of a person that, if the phrase "a star is born" had to be personified in human form, she would be it. So welcome Shivangi Joshi to Bollywood Bubble. I have to start by saying it's your birthday, so very happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
And I was just, when I was reading about you, I realized that you are so young, yet almost half of your life has been spent on the screen.
Yeah.
So like, to kind of grow up in front of the camera and to kind of live that life from such a young age, how has that kind of molded you and affected your growing up years?
So I love camera, I love working, and I'm very happy with what I'm doing and where I am. But yes, it has molded me into a different person, because you know, you meet a lot of people every day. You're on the screen, you're on TV, and you know, a lot of people watch you. So I have learned a lot, and I've also you know, realized this thing कि फेम आना बहुत कम एज में, you should know how to balance it.
Yeah.
So I think I did that, and I am doing that, and I will always do that, because abhi to it's just the beginning.
Yeah.
I've just begun. I have to do a lot. So yeah, a lot of things that I have learned जो शायद मैं अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं होती तो मैं नहीं सीख पाती, तो मैं शायद कुछ और कर रही होती और कुछ और सीख रही होती. So I have learned a lot.
Yeah, this is just the epilogue. The story
Yeah.
is yet to be written.
Yes.
But like, I remember you watching you, starting watching you in Beintiya as Ayat, the
Yeah.
cute little Ayat with those two braided tails
Yes.
on her head, and like kind of figuring out how to lead life, getting stuck in those conditions. So from starting as a supporting actor to
Yeah.
getting to be the leading face, that today I don't think there's any household that doesn't know who Shivangi Joshi is. To do that from being a supporting face to a leading one, what was that journey like for you?
So I have faced a lot of ups and downs, and won't say criticism directly, but there were a few incidents, a few moments where I felt कि ये क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ, you know, why people are reacting like that, why? Because अभी मैंने I think अभी like a few like half an hour back I mentioned this also, I told this to someone else, that you know, when I was a supporting actor, when I played a sister of the lead, people, so I'll tell you one incident.
Yeah.
So you know, I was on the set and कोई journalist set पे आए थे interview लेने of the lead pair, you know, the couple. But the cameraman thought that I am the lead of the show. So you know, he was coming towards me to take my interview, to ask for it, and I am sitting and I'm like, oh my god, मेरा first interview, he's coming towards me, I'm sure he interview लेने आ रहे हैं, I'm so excited. And मतलब मैं अंदर ऐसे मुझे बोल रहा है कि oh my god ये, and then the journalist came and he's like no she's not the lead, इसका interview मत लो, उसका लो, चलो. So I think I felt really bad. So काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसी हुई हैं जो which I understand कि आप जर्नलिस्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी, क्योंकि उनको भी कई चीज़ें होती हैं, जो कई प्रोटोकॉल्स होते हैं, कई चीज़ें होती हैं जो उनको बोली जाती है, जो फॉलो करनी होती हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ ऑल्सो ओके. बट यू नो, ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स काफ़ी सारे हुए हैं, नॉट सारे सेम उसमें, बट अलग अलग चीज़ों में, अलग अलग उसमें. तो कई चीज़ें हुई हैं आई थिंक जो जिन्होंने शायद मुझे और एक बेटर ह्यूमन बीइंग बनाया है और जिनकी वजह से मैं हमेशा हम्बल रहती हूँ और रहना चाहूँगी.
Yeah. See, I'll take the positive part out of that incident, that you always had the leading face energy that people always recognize.
Thank you.
That has kind of
Akash.
converted into it, and so that is how I want to know
Yeah.
how did Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata came to you, because from being a supporting face to
Yeah.
being the leading face, you also, as you said, that
Yeah.
the journey has been tough.
Yeah.
There had been challenges. So to get that offer of a show that had been already been running for so many years,
Yeah.
and in our industry, daily soaps are known by their leading faces.
Yes.
And already Hina Khan was the face of it.
Yeah.
To get the show, to make a place for yourself, the stardom came after it.
Yeah.
But the first instant when you were offered, was there any skepticism like how would I kind of match up to it, or you have to take the baton from such a good actor who has already made a name?
Honestly, I didn't know about Ye Rishta before that. When I got the offer, I gave the audition, and on the audition day only, sir stopped me and like he asked me to wait because he wanted to speak to me about it because he
Yeah.
really liked my audition. And yeah, so he spoke to me. मुझे नहीं पता था हो जाएगा या नहीं होगा या पता नहीं, because after that also a look test happened जिसमें 3-4 actresses were there. So when I asked about my family about it, about ये रिश्ता कि शो के बारे में मुझे कुछ बताओ, they were like ये रिश्ता का ऑफर आया है, मतलब हम तो बेटा इसको 6 साल से 8 साल 6 साल से देख रहे हैं, 7 साल से देख रहे हैं, मतलब आई थिंक इट्स द बिगेस्ट शो ऑन टेलीविजन. एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब बिकॉज उस फेज में भी ना, दो आई वाज इन द इंडस्ट्री, आई वाज इन द सीरियल इंडस्ट्री कि मैं सीरियल करती थी और मैं अपने शोज देखती थी, बट आई वाज स्टिल अ कार्टून पर्सन. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू वॉच कार्टून्स मोर देन वॉचिंग एनीथिंग एल्स. सो वो चीज़ हमेशा से थी. सो मुझे इतना बिकॉज व्हेन आई एंटर्ड ये रिश्ता आई वाज 17, तो मुझे इतना सीरियल्स के बारे में पता नहीं था. बहुत कम सीरियल्स थे जो जिन्हें मैं देखा करती थी और जिनके बारे में मुझे पता था. बट यू नो मैंने आज माई फैमिली अबाउट ये रिश्ता थे, लाइक मतलब ये तो भाई तुम्हें अगर ये शो मिल गया तो मतलब दिस एंड दैट एंड ये हमारा फेवरेट शो है. तब मुझे लगा ये क्या इतना, मतलब इतना. एंड देन व्हेन आई गॉट द पार्ट, दैट्स व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट ये रिश्ता इज. And about the team, I learned about the team, about the people working in Rishta and Director's Cut production. They're amazing people. And मुझे बस इतना पता था that I have to give my best. I have to do my best. No pressure. I did not take any pressure. मैं कभी कुछ सोच के भी नहीं गई थी कि ऐसा होगा तो क्यों होगा, नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. I was narrated the story and I loved my character's journey and क्या कैसे होने वाला था या क्या हुआ था उसके life में. So I loved everything about it and I said yes, and then we started shooting, and yeah, from the day one I just had this thing in my mind that I have to do my best. I have to give my 100%. सबने बहुत अच्छा किया है, अब मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा करना है. That's it.
While the story was really fascinating, I have to say our audience got to know a new thing. Shivangi is a cartoon person, so next time if any of you have to start a conversation, you know where to begin.
You know my stress buster is watching a Barbie movie.
Like I am a Phineas and Ferb kind of a guy.
Oh my god, okay,
yeah,
okay.
you have to like.
I have, of course I know.
Yeah,
what
that's
Phineas
the
and
best
Ferb
cartoon
is.
of the current generation.
Yeah.
But like, when was that time you kind of realized the stardom that show had gathered for you?
I think during our wedding sequence, we shot that in Bikaner. People, I don't know, like, मतलब हमें खुद नहीं समझ में आया कि क्या हो गया लोगों को. मतलब they were so happy to see us.
Yeah.
They used to wait outside our hotel सुबह के 4 बजे से कि कब वो लोग बाहर आएंगे, कब वो लोग दिखेंगे. It was beautiful. मतलब वो सारा situation, वो जो भी हुआ था, was so overwhelming. मतलब मैं ऐसी सब चीज़ देखती थी, I used to get tears in my eyes कि oh my god, मतलब am I that special? I love to everybody. They love me so much. I used to get really overwhelmed and so happy. But I think that's when I realized, and that's when I saw everything, and people, literally waiting for us सुबह के 4 बजे से 3 बजे से लाइन लगी हुई है कि कब हम लोग आएंगे. So I don't know, वो बहुत ही special था मेरे लिए. I think that's
Yeah, and I have to say, like, the Kaira Shadi kind of
Yeah.
showed me how grand and how a virtual wedding can be. The big
Yeah.
fat virtual wedding.
It was amazing. It
Yeah.
was amazing.
And like after that, I think you have made Saiya Superstar the go-to bridal
Yes.
song for every
Yes.
entry.
I know, मैंने खुद भी देखा है brides जो real brides हैं, they're doing पूरा जैसे नायरा का हुआ था on Saiya
Yeah.
Superstar, the dance, the entry, everything. I was like, oh my god, मतलब मैंने कई चीज़ें सेव करके रखी. मैं खुद देखती हूँ, I also feel very happy when I see that.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you something about Kaira wedding, our Vivha, Kaira Vivha. it felt real, you know.
Yeah.
All the rituals that we did and
Yeah.
everything, and सारी कास्ट है, हमें सच में लग रहा है कि हम किसी शादी में बाहर गए हैं, पूरी
Yeah.
फैमिली है, because that's how we enjoyed the whole wedding, though it was hectic.
Yeah.
And I was in a 40 kg लहंगा, but और जिसमें मैंने बुलेट चलाई थी,
Yeah.
but overall I don't know, it was the most beautiful sequence I've ever shot.
Yeah, and I have to say like that was the lifetime moment for you. Like
Yes.
riding a bullet on a
On
in
a
40
lehenga.
kg lehenga.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like I think as you said, it felt real. The audience also felt it was
Yeah,
real.
it was real.
It
And the
became-
bidai, when we shot the bidai, everybody was crying, you know. Like all the production people, my mom, she was there with me. Everybody cried कि सच में
Yeah.
विदाई हो रही है, और मैं जो सीन में रो रही थी, मैं खुद रो रही थी रियल में. मतलब there were no fake tears, no glycerin was used.
Yeah, and from your last birthday to this birthday,
Yeah.
there has a lot changed in that regard. Like
Yeah.
last year, you were on the sets of another show.
Yeah.
Today, you are kind of starting a new journey.
Yes.
So, how much has this year, that experience of leaving one show behind, then taking on another one, then leaving that behind, and
Yeah.
now kind of venturing into new grounds.
Yeah.
So, how's that 1 year been for you?
I think ये year जो था, ये सबसे difficult रहा है मेरे लिए. To leave a show which was my everything, यार. ये रिश्ता was everything to me. And
Yeah.
then, you know, to leave that behind and starting a new journey with Balika Vadhu was a big step. But, you know, then leaving that behind, now I'm here and taking another
Yeah.
project. So, काफ़ी चीज़ें हुई हैं, काफ़ी चीज़ें मैंने सीखी है इस phase में. You know, I will never say that I've overcome Naira or Seerat, but especially more Naira, I would say. But yeah, because I don't want to. लेकिन you know, उसको पीछे छोड़ के to start a new chapter.
Yeah.
फिर उसको छोड़ के now to start a new phase. काफ़ी चीज़ें रही हैं, काफ़ी चीज़ें मैंने सीखी हैं, but you know, it's better, I think. आपको evolve, आप जितना करते हो उतना आपके लिए अच्छा रहता है. So that's what I'm doing. I'm learning, and अभी तो मतलब work in progress है.
Yeah, and I feel like the audience has been quite generous and kind
Yes.
towards you in that
Yes.
fact that they have allowed you to outgrow Naira and accepted you out of it.
Yeah, I think initially it was very difficult for the audience, for me
Yeah.
as well, but they understood. They understood why I chose that character, because I choose my projects very matlab, I am very careful in, you know, whatever I'm taking, be
Yeah.
it on Instagram or TV or music videos.
Hmm.
So, you know, I'm a very choosy person when it comes to
Yeah.
that. So I took Balika Vadhu because मुझे पता था वो शो क्या मैसेज देता है ऑडियंस को, और वो चीज़ ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आज भी कई जगहों पे चीज़ें होती हैं जो हमने हमारे शो में देखी इन बालिका वधू. सो आई वांटेड टू गिव अ मैसेज टू द ऑडियंस, एंड आई डिड दैट. So I'm happy. That's what I'm saying. I learned a lot of things, and you know, learning is always good.
Yeah, and talking about your music video,
Yeah.
your last music video, Boli to say, stuck in my head since the day I watched it. That because that innocence of it is just something else.
Yeah.
And talking about your next project, taking on Khatro Ke Khiladi, your first reality show.
Yes.
How excited are you? And
I am
why
very
now?
very excited. Why now?
Yeah, as in not just Khatro Ke Khiladi, but getting into reality shows
Yeah.
now. Why?
Yeah. So I think this is the right time for me to take a new project, and this is my first reality show. Yes,
Yeah.
and it's a reality show which I always wanted to do.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite reality shows,
Hmm.
and I'm very excited. I have a lot of fears,
Yeah.
so I want to overcome them,
Hmm.
and I think this is the best show for that.
Yeah. And which is the biggest one that you want to overcome?
I won't tell you.
Maybe Rohit sir will hear that, and then the next stunt will be on that.
I know.
Yeah.
इसीलिए.
Also, like getting to meet Rohit Shetty sir,
Yeah.
getting to kind of work with him and spend that time with him. Like, how is that excitement level for you?
I'm looking forward to it. I'm a big fan of his movies, and yeah, and he seems to be a very nice, very genuine, very supportive person. So I am excited to meet him, and yeah, I'm very excited. Yeah, मतलब मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है, क्या होगा, क्या चीज़ें हैं जो शायद मैं कर पाऊंगी, क्या चीज़ें हैं जो शायद मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. I don't know,
Yeah.
but I feel it's like a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to
Yeah.
do all these things, to do these kind of stunts, because ये आपको हर रोज़ लाइफ में करने को नहीं मिलता है. So मेरे पास अभी सही ये टाइम था, and this opportunity came and I grabbed it.
Yeah. Do you look down your balcony like पहले देखो 18 फ्लोर से ही कितना डर लगता है, then वो जो हाइट वाले आएंगे, then
I do that.
see, I know, like वो वाला अभी सब आपको mentally prepare करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
But like I have to say, like this whole 6 years of getting Naira in your system, then getting out of it, and then taking on Anandi, then making her own. Your characters have always been a part of you.
Yes.
And as a daily soap actor, like it's not just for a 3 months you are doing it.
Yeah.
For you, it's a period of like 6 years of Naira. And then, so how much of Naira and Anandi also came into Shivangi, and how much Shivangi went into them?
Okay, so I'll talk about Naira first. I feel वो मैं ही हूँ और मैं ही थी.
Yeah.
Naira is totally Shivangi, Shivangi is totally Naira. And when Naira died, like the last day of Naira, I think it has been one of the most difficult shoot days of me. It was the most difficult shoot day मेरे लिए आज तक की shooting journey में. उस दिन को I can never forget because I was so emotional. I don't know what was happening to me because where I'm not supposed to cry, I was crying then also in that scene also because I couldn't control my tears. Because I know how attached I am to Naira. मुझे लग रहा था कि I'm going to die and I know that I'm going to die. You know that feeling. So I don't know. It was really tough for me. So Naira was totally Shivangi and आनंदी और उसकी philosophy और उसकी जो thinking है वो भी शिवांगी से काफ़ी मिलती जुलती है. Yeah. I mean वो चीज़ है जितनी I think OTT पे जब हमारा शो आया तो आनंदी की एक नई साइड लोगों को देखने को मिली that you know शी इज़ नाउ अ बिजनेस वुमन एंड वो अपने लिए इतनी चीज़ें कर रही है, काफ़ी चीज़ें कर रही है फॉर हर फैमिली, फॉर हर लव, फॉर मतलब जो भी चीज़ें थी. सो आई थिंक आई रिलेट टू मोस्ट ऑफ माई कैरेक्टर्स. बट नायरा, आई वोंट से दैट आई रिलेट टू नायरा. नायरा इज मी. I am Naira. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no fourth wall between.
There's no fourth wall.
And I have to say, as you mentioned Naira's dying scene, I kid you not, I got goosebumps because that has been like the effect of the show. Like I'm a very proud watcher of daily soaps, and I loved watching it. Like my morning started.
I really
with
liked you, Akash. Good.
Yeah, I know. Thank you so much. That is going on record. I'm going to use this clip everywhere now. Shivangi Joshi likes me.
Yes, definitely.
But like, so much going on in your life, in your career. You have also joined hands with Khushi Foundation,
yes,
which is founded by Kapil Dev sir. So what prompted that to take on that move and kind of giving back to the society by doing that?
I always wanted to do something like that.
Yeah.
And this was the perfect opportunity for me. And I'm honored to be a part of Khushi, to be a part of Kapil sir's NGO. You know, here we are trying to help the underprivileged kids by educating them, by fulfilling their dreams, you know, by helping their families. So, मैं अपने आप को बहुत खुशकिस्मत मानती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे इस काबिल समझा कि मैं इस NGO का एक हिस्सा बन पाऊँगी and मुझसे जो हो पाएगा I will do my best.
And like you have been a proud representative of what Indian television represents.
Yes.
You have been a part of such progressive stories as well. But even when people kind of deem TV as regressive, recently there had been a little discussion when one of the scenes got viral. How does it affect you when the kind of the industry gets into question when something happens like that?
I don't understand this because see we are performers, okay? टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री में भी हम परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर ऑल परफॉर्मर्स. सो मुझे नहीं लगता है वो डिफ्रेंशिएट वो जो होता है करते हैं लोग वो होना चाहिए बिकॉज हम यहाँ हमारा बेस्ट करें. आई फील ये 3 अलग अलग प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं. दैट्स हाउ आई टेक इट. OTT अलग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे अलग तरीके का कंटेंट दिखाते हैं. TV इज अ डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट इज शोन. फिल्म इज you know there are 3 different platforms. So I think people should take it like that because we're all performers. We're all performing. We're all giving our best, doing our best. So जहाँ तक वायरल होने की बात है, I don't think वो TV और उस चीज़ को लेके ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ये होना चाहिए बिकॉज वो चीज़ OTT पे भी होती है, वो चीज़ TV पे भी होती है, तो वो चीज़ मूवी पे भी होती है. ठीक है, हर किसी की अलग ऑडियंस है, हर कोई अलग चीज़ देखना चाहता है. जो शायद TV पे जो सीन जो वायरल हुआ है कई लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगा तो कई लोगों को अच्छा भी लगा होगा. सो आई थिंक ऑडियंस दोनों चीज़ पसंद करती है. तो आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कोई पॉइंट है इस चीज़ में.
But like when we talk about the discrimination, have you ever faced that within the industry of being a TV actor, the discrimination of being a TV actor?
Not directly, but ये चीज़ आई थिंक काफ़ी एक्टर्स के साथ हुई है. When you want to wear a bigger stylist's outfit, you know, ऐसा कुछ होता है. So I think वहाँ पे कई बार चीज़ें हो जाती है कि we don't give our outfits to TV actors. ये चीज़ हुई है और ये चीज़ काफ़ी एक्टर्स के साथ हुई है, उन्होंने मेंशन भी किया है.
Yeah.
So something similar has happened with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But like, I wanted to end this on a note like, this year, what's your birthday wish? What would you like to ask the universe to give to you this year?
That I won't tell you.
Yeah. So universe, just listen to.
Yes, universe.
She's sending it out, and I'm kind of supporting that. So
Yeah.
whatever she wishes, make it +1.
How
Yeah.
sweet.
So, but thank you so much. It was an amazing time I had talking with you. And
Thank you.
my takeaway from this interview is that Shivangi Joshi likes me. So that has been the biggest takeaway from me. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Wishing you
Akash.
loads and loads of love and luck. A very happy birthday.
Thank you.
And can't wait to see you achieve greater and greater heights in future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.